Hi, I'm Dr. Umair Shah, the Executive Director for Harris County Public Health. COVID-19 has and continues to remain a top priority for Harris County Public Health. It is our mission to keep you, our residents, informed with the latest public health information on COVID-19. In Harris County, including the City of Houston, we have more than 8,800 confirmed cases and unfortunately over 190 deaths. This week, Harris County Judge Lina Hidalgo came to visit our health department and visited with contact tracers that were being onboarded. These contact tracers have been hired to help in our fight against the spread of COVID-19. The goal is to locate anyone that a person who tests positive has been in contact with and get them to either isolate, quarantine, but most importantly, to get tested. The contact tracers will never ask for personal information such as social security numbers, immigration status, or banking information. This week, we already onboarded 200 contact tracers with our goal to have the full 300 on board by next week. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration approved the first diagnostic test for COVID-19 using saliva samples collected at home. This test, which was granted under an Emergency Use Authorization, an EUA, may provide an additional option for the easy, safe, and convenient collection of samples required for testing, without having to travel to a doctor's office, a hospital, or a testing site. As you will recall, I mentioned last week about this rare multi-inflammatory syndrome that was being seen in some pediatric COVID-19 cases. Although a majority of children will not be affected by this, it is important for parents, just like me, to know the signs and symptoms in order to seek immediate medical attention for our children when necessary. Make sure you stay in contact with your pediatrician if you notice any of the following symptoms: a fever that won't go away, abdominal pain, diarrhea or vomiting, a rash or changes in skin color that just don't look right, trouble breathing, and most importantly, if your child or your baby seems confused or overly sleepy, we want to make sure you contact your healthcare provider. The focus from us to you continues to be on the foundation of all of this, which is testing. Mobile testing sites will remain active and rotating throughout our 4 Harris County precincts each week. In addition to the 4 mobile locations, the testing sites in Baytown and Katy are still open. And what we want to remind everyone is go to readyharris.org or call 832-927-7575. Again, remember, don't guess, take the test. And let me close by saying thank you to all of you for everything you're doing to help us fight this pandemic. And again, until next week.